Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Move that candle out of the way. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me for this next week, which I guess is going to be the last week of September. If you can even comprehend that, I don't even know how to relate. But which means that next, like in a week, it's going to be October, and that's my favorite month ever. So partially because I was born in that month, so it automatically gets some extra points. But today we're going to be doing a plan with me. We're going to be doing the plan with me from my group challenge on Facebook. I have a group that, I should say I have it, but really there's some amazing people who are helping me run it, and they are just, I can't even say enough positive things about them. I could go on for days, but they have come up with this great idea of doing some challenges for each week and then announcing a winner. So because I'm behind, a couple weeks ago we had a double winner, and she won 2 weeks in a row. Barb, I'm going to say her name wrong again because it's just what I do, but Barb DeHagen, she won 2 weeks in a row. She was extremely creative. I mean, it was just overwhelming how great she was. So, we want to make sure to show her a congratulations of just how good she was, but also we want you to be part of it. So if you want to, click the link below. It's going to direct you to the group, and you can join right on in with the fun. See if you can beat out Barb, because she's good. We've had quite a few like winners who have been repeated. I think just because they're so good, and it's just they're so good. So, now this is Penelope. If you've not been introduced to her, this is my planner. I like to refer to her as Penelope. And she is, she's great. I just love her. So, in fact, I need to update my book list. That just reminded me as I pop this open. So, we are going to jump into the last part of, this is October. Yeah, the last week. And I'm going to pull this out, and let's do a little plan with me. So this week's theme is basically like a one color theme. And I actually did not plan in her last week, so this is good to have some time. I didn't have a use for her as much. I did have a use for her. I didn't get around to it, and I've lost my mind. So this is, because of the type of planner I use this for, this planner often is more like a checklisty home planner. It's anything I have to do at home. So we are going to just do, for this theme this week that we're going into for the group challenge, it is a one color challenge, and mine's going to be like 100 shades of one color. Don't know if that's even 100% right or not, but that's what it's going to be, excluding the fact that I can't do anything about the planner has already some colors in it, so that'll have to stay the way it is. But we're going to stick the rest of it. It's going to be pink, if you didn't already figure out that one color. So I'm going to quickly do this. I think I'm going to go ahead and do every day, although I'm going to be out of the town for a little bit, but so I have a really exciting video coming for you tomorrow. It was a lot of fun to film, and I am super excited to do. If you like that type of video, stay tuned for tomorrow's video. But if you like that type of video, make sure to let me know, because it takes a little bit more planning on my part to, really it doesn't. It takes less, but to do it. So just let me know what you think. Alright, I don't know if I want it on the weekend or not. I just don't know. I think I'm gonna omit the weekend. Alright, so to start, now that I've done that, that is the first thing I do in this planner, and I'm pretty consistent with the way that I do that, because Because of the use of this planner, it does seem to need a little bit more of a, this is kind of a mauve-y pink, or is that more purple? It does need a little bit more of love as far as checklisty items go, so I wanted to make sure to do that as best as possible, and that is why you see that the way that it is. Looking for all pink. Okay, here's an all pink one. Some are red. And I probably see things that I think are pink, but they're probably more red or like even more purple hues. So don't judge me. Don't judge me, guys. Alright, let's see here. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, I don't know if I said that, but make sure you do, because we have a lot of fun. Not watching me try to find washi, that's not fun, but I think I'm going to say that this is pink. We have a lot of fun in this group and in this YouTube land adventure, and I am so excited to have all of you lovely people along for this ride with me. I feel like I've just sneezed now. Alright, let's see here. If I can find the end of this washi. It's like I have it, but I don't know where the open. Oh, I think I found it. I have like dinner in like an hour that I have to go to. I need scissors, guys. And gals, really gals. That's my Southern California talk. I have hair all over everything. I'm going to try to keep it as pinky as possible, but I'm probably going to lose. Well, I'm not really entered into the challenge winning part of it, but like, I'm pretty sure if I did enter, I would lose every single week because there's so many. This is really more purple, but I'm leaving it because it's a little bit more pink matchy than the green, so I feel like it's more in line with trying to be to one color, and it's all I got. So there we go. There we have it. But yeah, so I'm pretty sure if I was entering in as just a participant that I would lose my own challenge. Oh, you know, it's probably looking a little bit more purpley than pink too because the green underneath of it. I didn't even think about that. I could go over it twice, but I'm not going to do that. So my little boy, who is 17 months, almost to the day. Tomorrow is his 17-month birthday. Birth month. Not birthday, but birth anniversary, whatever you want to call it. And I'm pretty sure he's entering the Terrible 2 stage a little bit early because he has been just awfully full of himself the past couple days. So, and yes, if you're wondering, this is a Mary Kay bag that I keep my washi in, some of my washi in. So you can, your curiosity is true. All right, so this has like, I have to use this because I just love it, but it has like some stickers around, like some little confetti around it. That's not, but I love it so much that it's getting used. So it's just going to be the way it is. Just is. All right, so let's see. Now I want an appointment sticker. Where do I want? I think I'm going to get one in here. That's cute. I'm going to put this on. This is going to be my make sure I brought everything checklist, which I'm also going to whip out habit tracker. And it's crooked. My habit tracker is crooked. Probably like my habits. They're just not the best. No, I'm just kidding. I mean, I have pretty good habits, but you just don't know sometimes with me. I would say that some of the things I do, I'm consistently inconsistent. So I gotta work on that. With certain things. That's why the habit tracker is so important for me, because it helps me just to make sure that I'm actually doing the things that I really said I was gonna do. So because I'm gone, some of the stuff that I'm going to have to do is going to be an evening time stuff. So let's see. All right, let's see. I could have sworn what I wanted was, oh, it is. All right, so I'm leaving on Tuesday for a conference. So I'm going to go ahead and mark it as an appointment. I should have put that other sticker on Monday. And then I'm going to mark the when I return. Okay. And I'm going to put a little plane, even though it's not a little plane, to just indicate that I'm like coming back. I'm not actually taking a plane, I'm just driving. More than anything, just to kind of give myself a little bit of a bounce right back to know what I'm doing. So I will tell you, in this planner, this planner is my simplest planner. I keep things very simple in here. It's just really more function than it is anything else. And it's just because it's pink. I'm going to break the rules and put 2 of those flowers down because it's pretty flower, or 1 of the flowers down because it's pretty flower. I might cut the green off of it. But then I have a little, no, I'm just going to do it, guys. I'm already breaking the rules. But that's still pretty much one color. It's just like adding a little Flava Flav. Okay. Now what I'm going to need is, and I am in nursery next Sunday, I should probably note that. I'm going to need some coffee cups. Ooh, a pink drink. Pink coffee cups. Like 10 of those. I've loved this sticker book because it's got a lot of beverages, but it's got a lot of coffee cups, so I love coffee. So if anyone knows me for like even a minute and a half, you'll know that I'm really obsessed with coffee. Like incredibly obsessed. It's a problem. It's a real problem. And I feel like I want one of those like fancy to-do boxes from my Lamp Girl one. So I just really didn't put much thought into the sticker books I was going to be using. I just grabbed a few, and that almost looks more yellow. It's got like a little yellow tinge. The camera's making it look a little more yellowy than it is. Miles are free, but they are worth a lot. So busy. I'm just so busy, guys. I like this one. I'm just going to put it on the week as a whole. I want, well, I do have one with a note to self. I think I'm just going to use one of these little pink ones down here. This was from the girl line last year, and I really loved the girl line last year. I'm not sure that any line, or any, like, I love the girl lines from this year too, but I'm pretty sure that I still love last year's better so far. I haven't gotten the sticker books yet though, so I haven't really, like, I watched the flip throughs, but it's really not the same without holding it in your hands and like really seeing. So I just kind of want like one more, maybe this color. I don't know. And it's starting to get kind of full, so I suppose I better slow my roll. Alright, so I think that this is a good start because I'm going to be gone this day, this day, and this day. So I think, but I still have stuff to do while I'm gone. So I think that this is going to be a really good a really good plan with me for the week. I know that there's still a few things that need to be added, but I think that this is really going to bring me to kind of exactly what I need to do to functionality wise. And I am going to bring, you know, I'll be doing lots of Instagram stuff. So if you are part of my Instagram, if you're following me there, you should, because I'll be doing a lot of more Instagram stuff while we're gone and just kind of giving you little blippets of everything going on. So I hope you enjoyed this spread. I know that the talent in the Facebook group is going to far outweigh mine, but I'm so excited to be part of it and just have fun. You know, that's what it's about. It's just about having fun and making the most productive week with the most fun possible. So who wouldn't want to be a part of that? So if you'd like to join, if you're interested in joining, click the link below. And if not, then great. Just come watch the videos and have fun with us here too. But we would love to have you. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to see what your thoughts are on tomorrow. If there is any other videos that you'd want to see, let me know. I'm about to release a new schedule this coming week, and I would just want to know, make sure I'm not missing anything. So please indicate if there's anything that you feel like I haven't done and I need to do and you want to be part of. All right, everyone, I will see y'all soon. Have a great day.